Hello everyone, in this video we will create report using report builder in ERPNext. So in ERPNext you can build reports using report builder and using query report and using script report. So query report is written in SQL and script report they are written in Python and basically stored on server side. But this video is going to be all about report builder, so let's go ahead. Now first thing, what can you do with the report builder? So report builder, you can define fields that to be added in the report, like you can select which column you want to add in the report, and then you can also set a required filter, that is you can select the grand total, and then you can also select the status, like if let's say if you want the shortlisted candidates report of the shortlisted candidate, then you can set the required filter, and then you can also sort columns as well as also you can sort the rows, and then you can also give a preferred name to a report. So what we'll do is we'll create two reports right now. We'll create one is sales order and then another one will be the shortlisted applicants report. So let's go to the desk. Alright, so first I'll go to the sales order list, and okay, it's already in the report format over here. First let's go to the list format. To create a report, we'll click on this report builder, and these are all the different types of pre-existing reports over here. But let's say you want a new report, so we'll select a report builder, and over here you can select a filter manually, and these are all the different columns that are there. So first let's select a filter, that is, let's say I want the sales order, the list of all the sales order with the grand total more than this value. Okay, this. So I'll select from here, I'll select a grand total, you can see, and from here we'll select what do we want, like how do we want it. So do we want it more than or do we want it less than? So I'll select more than equal to. Okay, more than equal to this value we'll select 1. Alright, and let's apply. So you see we got all these 3 values, and these are all the different columns present over here. Now let's say you don't want this delivered an amount in the final report. So what you can do is go here and then you can pick columns, and you can just remove those columns. So this is one of the column, and you can remove this column also. And if you want like an extra column in there, like from any of this, then you can select from here and just add it inside. So let's say I want exchange rate, then I can add it, and alright, let's submit it. So now where is exchange rate? Okay, here we have this exchange rate column that we just added right now in the report. Now let's say if you want like to sort them, like if you want this customer over here, so basically it's just a simple sorting, it depends. And one more thing, you can also, like here we have, okay, all the customers' names are Jonathan. So if you wanted the names in alphabetical order, then you could use this. So based on that we can also have this sorting done over here. So let's say I want it based on customer name. So if it was like different, like we have Jonathan here, and then let's say there was a Charles, so Charles would have come first because of this modification over here. So this is how you build a report. Now next step is you'll have to export it. So first you'll save it. Okay, let's say you want to save this report, so we can also name the report like we saw, sales order more than. Okay, and submit it. Alright, so this report is now created. So what you can do is, like if you want to export this report, so you can also export it using this export, and you can select the type of the file you want, like you can, if you want CSV you can choose it, if you want Excel you can choose Excel. So I'll choose Excel and I'll download it. Alright, now let's open it and have a look at it. Alright, so we have this sales order report that we created using ERPNext, and then we exported it, and this is the format that we have right now. Alright, now let's go and create another report for the shortlisted, or let's say approved applicant. So what I'll do is I'll go into the student applicant. Now, okay, I've already created this report. Now let me just cut it off everything and let's go to the list format. So we'll begin again now. Alright, so let's say I want a report of all the applicant who have been approved by an academics manager. So we'll go to the report, we'll go to report builder, and then from here we'll select add a filter manually. Alright, so let's add application status. Then from here equals, I'll add application status as approved and just apply this. So here we got the list of all the applicants, student applicant whose status is approved. Now from here, let's say I want to arrange all of this in the alphabetical order. So I can do it using this title. We have, okay, title. So, and I'll just do it this way. So this is now in ascending order. All of this applicants are arranged in the ascending order. Also, if I want to remove some columns, like I'll remove image, I'll remove this paid column also. So we'll go to the pick columns, and then from here we'll remove this, and we'll remove image also. Where is image? Okay, image is not here. Alright, let's save it, submit it. Okay, so we have ID, status and program, as well as the applicant status. And now let's export. First let's save it. So we'll save this as applicant, approved applicant, and just submit it. So we have this now report we have created, that is approved applicant, and what we'll do is we'll just export it again in the Excel format. So here we have the list of all the approved applicants present here. So this way you can create a report in ERPNext using a report builder, and you can also add a column, and you can also remove the column if you want. So I hope you understood how to use a report builder to build the report, customizable report you want according to how you want it. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubt, do mention them. Thank you.